Dear children, welcome back to IT class. Last class we discussed about operating system and its functions. So, what is operating system? Operating system is an interface between user and the computer hardware. So, in this class we are going to discuss about types of operating system. Types of operating system. There are different types of operating system. They can be classified according to their functionality or the way they interact with the user. So next we are going to discuss about the types of operating system based on their interaction. The user interacts with the computer system through an interface. This interface is provided by the operating system. Based on user interaction, an operating system is classified into two types. What are they? Character user interface CUI and graphical user interface GUI. So what is character user interface? CUI type of operating system requires the user to interact with the system by typing commands. Example, Unix, DOS require that you type in the commands. The next, graphical user interface GUI. This is popularly known as GUI, where the look of the operating system is graphic oriented. The user can use a mouse to interact with the system by just clicking. If you have a computer with the touch screen, you can use touch gestures like tap, press, hold, pinch, swipe, scroll or rotate to interact with the system. Such operating systems are more popular than CUI due to its ease of use quality. Microsoft Windows is the most popular GUI based operating system today. The next classification is type of operating system based on their functionality. So based on their functionality, computer is classified into single user, multi-user, multitasking, real-time, distributed operating system. First we are going to discuss single user operating system. As the name indicates, the single user, this type supports only a single user at a time. That is, single user can operate or use the system resources at a time. Such systems are also bound to run single program at a given point of time. Example, MS-DOS, Windows 95 are examples of such a single user operating system. Multi-user operating system. This type also called a multi-program operating system as they support multiple programs running at a time on the same computer. They also support sharing the computer resources by multiple users at a time. Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Unix, Linux are the examples of multi-user operating system. Multitasking operating system. All multi-user operating systems support multitasking also. This means multiple tasks can be performed by the CPU at a time. You can simultaneously type a letter and work on an image and also print at the same time. In such cases, the current task runs in the foreground and the others run in the background. Next is the distributed operating system. In distributed operating system, software and data is distributed around the system. Programs and files stored on different storage devices which are located in different geographical locations and are accessed from different computer terminals. Each system has its own system clock, data structure and memory. They don't share any of this. Linux, Ubuntu are examples of distributed operating system. First one, real-time operating system. Real-time operating systems are usually used to control complex systems that require lot of processing like machinery, scientific instruments and industrial systems. A very important part of RTOS means real-time operating system is to manage the resources of the computer so that particular operation executes precisely the same amount of time every time it occurs. Linux OS and Windows CE are the examples of real-time operating system.